A crowd crush at the Mahakumbh Mela in India's Prayagraj has resulted in several casualties. Authorities are yet to provide an official's information on the numbers of casualties in the stampede. Prime Minister Narendra Modi expressed his condolences towards those who have lost their loved ones. In this, he also wished speedy recovery of all the injured. The Prime Minister is continuously monitoring the situation and is in constant contact with the state government. He spoke with Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath at least 4 times and is giving directions for normalization of the situation and relief.
मैं महाकुंभ में जो दुखद हादसा हुआ है, उस हादसे में हमें कुछ पुण्यात्माओं को खोना पड़ा है, कई लोगों को चोटें भी आई हैं। मैं प्रभावित परिवारों के प्रति संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं और घायलों के जल्द स्वस्थ होने की कामना करता हूं।
President Draupadi Murmu also expressed sadness at the stampede incident. Meanwhile, millions continue to take a holy dip in Triveni Sangam waters, with over 44 million people taking part in the second Amrit Snan till noon. The stampede took place near Sangam, the confluence of Ganga, Yamuna and the mythical Saraswati rivers, as scores of people turned up for a holy dip on the occasion of Mauni Amavasya in the wee hours of Wednesday. The Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister appealed to the devotees to not pay attention to any rumour. He requested people to take a dip at their nearest ghat and not try to go towards the nose of the Sangam. He also urged people to follow instructions of the administration and cooperate with them.
अमृत स्नान के लिए देश भर से आए हुए श्रद्धालुजनों की व्यवस्था के लिए, उनके कुशल क्षेम के लिए आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी का प्रातःकाल से ही लगभग 4 बार प्रधानमंत्री जी ने हालचाल लिया है। हम लोगों की प्रातःकाल से ही श्रद्धालुजन जो भी आए हैं वे स्नान कर सकें, इसके लिए यहाँ पे उच्च स्तरीय बैठक भी चल रही है, जिसमें मुख्य सचिव भी हैं, डीजीपी हैं, प्रमुख सचिव गृह हैं, मुख्यमंत्री कार्यालय के अपर मुख्य सचिव के साथ साथ एडीजी लॉ एंड ऑर्डर के साथ साथ अन्य वरिष्ठ अधिकारीगण मौजूद हैं।
Meanwhile, the akharas who usually begin the holy bath postponed their Amrit Snan. The saints took a phased bath later in the day. The bathing ceremony is taking place without the traditional procession, and the saints are participating in a simple and subdued manner. Preliminary reports indicate that the stampede-like situation arose after some crowd control barriers gave way, leading to panic among the pilgrims. Authorities said that the injured are undergoing treatment in a hospital, adding that it was not a serious situation. Authorities have launched an investigation into the cause of the stampede. They're also reviewing safety protocols to prevent future occurrences. Huge throngs of devotees have gathered today to take part in the second Amrit Snan at the world's largest religious gathering. The second Amrit Snan, or the Holy Bath, is taking place on the occasion of Mauni Amavasya, occurring on the new moon day. According to the state government, over 3.61 crore people have taken a holy dip in the Triveni waters today, with nearly 19.94 crore people overall till the 28th of January. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.